going on, guys? Back ahead again. We're working here. We're working on a little M3 piece. So, got some parts in. Give you a current update of what's going on. All the interior's ripped out. Got the headliner out already. All this and that. Got all that good stuff out. I gotta peel all the tint off of there. Got the rear deck out because it was all faded. So, painted this. Sorry I didn't film it. Got this stuff, duplicate color vinyl fabric spray. This stuff is great. So it's back to black. Resuading the headliner and all the other pieces. I'll film some of the other ones. I didn't get to film the headliner, but and then I got this yesterday, which this is a new wiper cowl. And then we got these. And this. Got some halos I installed today, as well as shift boot and e-brake boot. So we're gonna get that going today. Probably when we do the halos too, we'll restore the headlights, the lenses, because I don't feel like buying new ones, to be honest. We'll go from there. And shout out to my boy Matt. He did this for me yesterday. We did the headliner, took the old crappy one off. Got this all done. Came out really nice. Got to do these pieces, the B pillars or whatever the hell those are. What else we got? The other pillars, which he did one of those over there. And then that's it. We got some more suede, so we should be able to do everything. To be honest, I don't know which one's for which. I got this off eBay. This is pretty cheap. This one looks like it goes on this one, and this looks like it's the shift knob one. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, so I got this one, which looks like it goes on the e-boot, the e-brake boot thingy. And this one, which kind of goes here, but it doesn't really look like it works, so I guess I'll figure that out. Alright, so she's good. I mean, obviously I don't have a center console or anything like that. I don't even have the short throw in yet. So this kind of just slides over. Probably the same thing with the zip tie where you just put it on, but this actually came out really nice. This fit pretty good on there. So this one you just pull this piece off, and then behind here you slide this through, zip tie it, and that's it. And then you just slide it back in. This actually looks really good. Got that off eBay for like 15 bucks too. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so that's done. Now I'll move on to the headlights. Alright, I'm gonna take these off, which is a thingy right there. I'm pretty sure that pops out. I'm gonna take this and then the lens off. And then we should be able to access in there and then put the halos in and do whatever we gotta do. Yeah, then I need to restore this, like wet sand this. Probably about 400, 800,000, 1,500, whatever, and then polish it out. So I'm gonna do that. Let's see how this goes. been recording or no?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Just told me that. So I'm just getting all the dirt off these, and then we're gonna wet sand this with probably, I don't know how much sandpaper I have. We'll see. These are kind of like gross. Actually looks good without it here. Let's go to this off. Let's see what we got. This one. That's too much. That's too much. That is alright. Feel it. Oh Lord. Yeah. Feels like Mel's elbows. Alright, so what's in this? We got, where is it? We got 800, 1,000, 1,500. Let me polish it. Here to hold it, if anyone's curious. Oh, yeah. It's not, it wasn't. Whatever, it's a thing. Hold, yeah, hold it right there, if you can. Wait, let me see my.
Oh my god.
I'll hold the chair. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got.
Let me get these out.
Oh my god! Wow! Wait, I thought you said you got new ones, you liar. Fuck. Sneaky, sneaky. Wait, so these are really old ones?
Yeah.
And you did that thing? Oh yeah. Wait, that actually works?
No. I mean, yeah.
Bro, I never used it.
Works enough.
I bought it once and I was like,
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
well, why are you using it on your chair, bro?
Bro, you think I care?
Dude, what the?
Bro, what's the problem?
Is this on mute? Because I'm about to say a bad word.
No bad word. Not the mute. Can you hold this actually, since you're here? Shh. Can you hold this right here? Hold it good. It's gonna get a little crazy.
Whoa, whoa, I don't want to get... Wait, am I gonna get like...
I don't know, probably. Might want to move your hands,
right?
Yeah, I know. Ready? Hold it good.
Getting hot. Ow!
Sorry.
My skin! That was cool.
Good catch.
Alright.
Now we're looking at it. Looks alright. Should probably sand that down. Want to see that? Needs more sanding. Alright, we'll be right back. You have fun, man?
Oh yeah.
You like that?
Wow.
Oh my god!
Oh! Look, you do one of these? Alright, use your finger. Oh, you're alright, bro. You survived. Clean your arm. This is done. Oh, yeah. Too bad, see, not too bad. Pop one of those suckers in there. Nope. I'll get it. I can't fucking see too dark with me. That's all right. There's schmegma all over it. Oh. A little PPF action. Those.
Little spritz.
Spritz. Bam! Those edges good. That's it. She's done. You turn it up. Alright, so now I gotta wire these puppies up. Yeah, put everything back together. Not really nice. Obviously the bumper's broken, but that came out good. I want to take the test light out and see which one does what, or I might look up a wiring diagram, just tap into it. The kit came with these little guys, these little T-tap things. So, okay, well, it doesn't feel like focusing, but it came with these T-tap things, so I'm probably just going to T-tap into one of the lights, but then go from there. Alright, so we got off the headlight, tapped into that one right there. Just going to ground it out either somewhere over here, and then just the ignition goes to the ignition right here. Alright, little test, got ignition, power, ground, moment of truth. Oh, that's unfortunate. Back to the drawing boards. Okay, I'm actually retarded. So I had to since it is the ignition, I can turn the key on. So that wasn't working. I was just going off the switch here, so do that again. Keys on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wrong way, wrong way. Yeah, it came out dope. This is super bright. Ah, sweet. So now I'm just gonna clean all this up. Brighten that up. I'm gonna tuck all these wires under here and whatnot, clean her up, and we'll be back. Headlights work. Oh yeah. Shit's are bright as hell. You get a new battery, that's on the list. To do the rest of the interior, since that's all good. I got it all tucked away. I'll actually show you real quick. Clean install, came out good. Also, this is tucked away under here. You can't really see it, just that one white wire that goes to the box. This I'm just gonna zip tie, tuck it underneath. That's it. To be honest, well, man, I'm probably just gonna pop these things out real quick. Just these little clips. They pop out, and then I'm gonna put the new black ones in. Alright, so these are the new ones. Got nice replacements. They're all black. Matches the window trim. So those, and I also forgot about these. Probably put these on too. Like metal pedal things. The only reason why I got these is because if you actually look, since the swap is throttle cable, if you actually look at this piece right here, it's silver. And not that it's really that big of a deal, but it bothered me that those weren't silver, so I just bought those. They're really, really cheap. They're like 10 bucks, I think, for the covers. I think you just screw them in, so I'm gonna do that too as well. Yeah, the black girls look way better. They fit alright. I mean, not really. Probably have to do some like double-sided tape or something on the back of them when they paint it, after they paint it. It's kind of like loose, but this is what it is. Definitely looks better than the chrome. Not a fan of the chrome, to be honest. I also have these brand new for my last car. So now we're gonna do these pedal pieces. Do these pedal pieces. Alright, sweet. Got these things on. Yeah. Really stupid mod in my opinion, but you know, it looks a lot better. See how it's all silver now? It looks a lot cooler. Not cooler, cleaner. Instead of the black pedals and whatnot. So these I can't install because it already has that thing, and then this is for the flat pedal thing, so it's like, you know, like OEM, which I don't have, so cool. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. I hope you enjoyed today's install. The headlights were a little beat up. I honestly did order brand new ones, but they sent me the wrong ones, so we ended up just doing this. You know, there's a couple of things here and throughout the video that we ended up doing, especially the interior with the Alcantara and whatnot. So I think it looks 50 times better. I love it. It's great. It's back to its like OEM style type of look. On the next video, we're gonna do the cage install that I showed when I first got the car. So I got that whole thing powder coated and whatnot. We're gonna strip the interior, put everything back in. It's gonna be sweet. So thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one.